Alright, so welcome back to another unboxing video. So for this video, I'll be unboxing this game here called Habitat. Now this is a very old card game. I think it came out in 2008, and it's obviously an animal game, obviously, right? And so when I found out somebody was selling this game, and it was obviously a used game, and they were selling it for just a few bucks, I thought, well, yeah, sure, I'll buy it. Now, I know that this game is not exactly the best game out there. I know it's kind of sort of educational a little bit, but it's also not exactly necessarily a very strategic game either. It's almost basically very contingent on luck, from what I understand. So it's not necessarily going to be the best game in the world, but you know, for a few dollars, I thought this was still worth getting, regardless of the case. And I'm still will still enjoy playing this, at least, you know, once in a while for sure. Just you know, kind of a filler game, you know. So let's take a look and see what is in this box of Habitat. So obviously we have the rule book for the game, and we'll skip the rule book for now. We'll just worry about the cards. Take a look at these cards here. So there's quite a few cards. So that's at least nice, that there's a lot of cards here. So let's take a look at these cards and obviously see what they all do here. So we got disease. Choose one of any opponent's populations in play and move it to the starting display. Or starving display, not starting display. Okay, well that's interesting. So we got disease and pollution and aquatic plants. I guess I won't name out them all, but if we come across an animal, let's name that out, right? Because that's the cool thing. Okay, well, here we have an animal. The smallmouth bass. Okay, well that's cool. So what else do we have for animals? Ooh, we've got songbirds. And we've got insects, migration, population boom, insects. Ooh, we got turtles. Okay, so we got some turtles. And look, there's some fascinating stuff here. No regular predators except raccoons and herons. I wonder what that means, of course. But obviously, certain animals get eaten by certain animals, right? So that probably has to do with something like that. Badgers. Okay, cool. I like the artwork. The artwork is nice. Very cool. Bullfrogs. Cool. Ooh, we've got a wolverine. Those are cool. Wolverines are basically related to raccoons, if I remember correctly. So they're not like a wolf or anything like that, for instance. Ooh, we got muskies. Okay. And squirrels. Oh, I like the artwork. The artwork is really nice. They did a good job on the artwork. Grizzly bears. And geese. And invertebrates. Looks like a pill bug. What else do we have animal-wise? Let's see. We got mice. Ooh, there's that blue heron that was mentioned earlier. So, ooh, haha, this is awesome. The rattlesnake. Cool. Rattlesnakes are in this game. Sweet. Gotta love that. Okay, and then we got fishers. Oh, sweet. We've got fishers too. Awesome. They're cool mammals as well. Cool, we got fishers. So pretty much every animal that I can pretty much find basically where I live. So, well, almost every animal. Not every animal, but pretty much most of them. Weasels too, for sure. Okay, this is definitely not an animal I would find probably around me, but opossums. We got opossums. Or possums, depending on how you pronounce it. Ooh. Then we've got the black bear. Okay, well, black bear, brown bear, or should I say grizzly bear. Wolves. Cool. And coyotes. And skunks. Okay, cool. So that's just some of the animals. We still have some more over here. Let's look at some of these. Let's look at all of these. At least all of the animals that are in this game, right? That's what I like. I want to see all these animals in this game for sure. Because that's where it's cool. Okay, we got river otters in this game. And crows. Ooh, I love that one. The Great Horned Owl. That is definitely one of the owls that live where I live. In fact, I've seen them where I live. We had one of these in our backyard. 2 of these in our backyard once, I believe. Moose. Chipmunks. We've got elk. Deer. Largemouth bass. Crayfish. What else we got? We got bobcats. Yeah, we definitely have bobcats in our area, although I've never actually seen a bobcat in our area. Raccoons. We definitely have a raccoon living in our hedge, that's for sure. See him all the time. He visits me every night. Doesn't necessarily mean he's a friendly raccoon, but he's definitely a very inquisitive raccoon indeed. And shy. The elk. Ooh, definitely one of my favorites. It's bats. Oh, I love bats. So they're in this game too. Bats, rattlesnakes, and owls. Awesome. Then we've got the lynx. Bald eagles. Obviously, we've done insects and raccoons already. What else we got? Ooh, we've got ospreys. Okay, cool. They're a cool bird. Bird of prey, I believe, right? Beavers. Panfish. What else we got? Okay, another panfish. Another panfish. Ooh, we've got porcupines. Cool. Awesome. Wild turkeys. I think we had toads earlier, right? So these are frogs. Actually, no, we had bullfrogs earlier. Now we have frogs. Cool. Another wolf. Ooh, we got muskrats. Let's see if you can see that better. There you go. You can see it a little bit better. Muskrats. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got rabbits. Cool. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we did chipmunks already. What else? And deer, obviously. Ooh, minks. Okay, minks. I'm not a huge fan of mink. So I volunteered at a zoo, right? Oh, a long time ago, they got into one of the enclosures. These animals are very aggressive animals. They got into one of the enclosures, or 2 of the enclosures, and they killed some of the animals at our zoo once. A couple of times, actually. So I'm not too fond of these guys, but obviously we have mink in our area, too. Crayfish. Obviously, we did crayfish in the lynx earlier, so... Ooh, we got more snakes. Oh, yes! And this is a non-venomous species right here, for sure. Okay, cool. So we got 2 different snakes in this game. Awesome. Do we have more animals? Yes, we do. We've got cougars in this game. Sweet. Mountain lion, if you will. Or a mountain lion, if you want to call it that. I think that's another name for it. We actually had one of these in our neighborhood. Maybe a half a mile? No, not even half a mile away from my house. Not even. It was just wandering around our neighborhood. But yeah, we had one of these not too long ago. Cougars, awesome. Do we have anything else? Ooh, loons. I like loons. I'm not a big duck person, but I do like loons. They're pretty cool. The loon. Awesome. Okay, and then we've got hawks. Okay, what else we got? Foxes. Yes, we've got foxes. And I think we did coyotes already. We definitely did the moose. And there's the duck. We'll move on. And insects again. So we got dragonflies and vultures. Okay, cool. More invertebrates. This one looks like I think this is like a snail or clam or something. Something like that. And we got woodpeckers and pheasants and rats. I think we had mice earlier, so now we've got rats. So yeah, pheasants and woodpeckers. So yeah, that's all of the animals that are involved in this game, and there's quite a few different species for sure. I wonder if you all who are watching this have heard of every single species that is in this game. If I had to guess, you probably haven't heard of the fisher, that particular species of animal. That would be my first guess, but I'm sure there's another one or two animals you've never heard of in that category in this game, for sure. But still, it's got quite a few different species of animals involved with this game. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I'm very satisfied with this small little game, and well, I'll learn how to play this game eventually. This game called Habitat. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys again next time.